Hello, teacher. Good morning. My name is Snyder Sanchez Palacio, Business Administration student. Track 4. Speaking Assignment Synchronous Meeting. Your opinion about positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. I believe that the effects of technology on the environment are negative. This is due to global warming, that the air is suffering, and the pollution uh, generated by large international industries. How do you see the future of our planet? I think that the air will one day be unavailable. Uh, Although I also think scarcity of natural resources and land degradation for the pollution and hydrocarbon. How to mitigate the environmental damage? Uh, I think that the design new sustainable proposal uh, and and also talking relevant and timeline action uh, and and also need ecological trends. Thank you so much.